Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're an Android user who loves the sleek design and intuitive functionality of iOS, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring some of the best iOS launcher apps for Android that can transform your device into a more iPhone-like experience. From customizable layouts to smooth animations, these launchers offer fantastic features that enhance your user interface. Let's dive in and see how you can give your Android a stylish makeover. Liquid Launcher. Liquid Launcher is a sleek and customizable launcher that aims to replicate the smooth and elegant interface of iOS. It offers a user-friendly design, featuring an easy-to-navigate home screen and beautifully arranged app icons. One of the standout features is its ability to customize widgets, themes, and icon packs, enabling users to personalize their device to reflect their style. Liquid Launcher also includes a search function that allows users to quickly find apps and settings, making navigation efficient. Additionally, it provides options for gesture controls, enhancing the overall user experience by bringing a touch of iOS to Android devices. X Launcher. X Launcher is another popular choice for users looking to bring an iOS-like experience to their Android devices. This launcher features a clean and simple design with a layout that mimics iOS, including a control center and a customizable dock. Users can easily rearrange their app icons and folders for better organization. The app also supports various themes and icon packs, allowing users to further personalize their devices. A notable feature is the built-in weather widget and calendar view, providing functionality akin to iOS. With its smooth performance and intuitive design, X Launcher is a great option for those wanting a familiar iOS feel on their Android devices. Deep AI OS Launcher. Deep AI OS Launcher offers a unique take on the iOS launcher experience, aiming to deliver a fast and efficient interface that mimics iOS aesthetics. It comes with many customization options, including different wallpapers, themes, and icon styles, which help users create their desired look and feel. One of its key features is the app drawer that organizes apps neatly, making it easier to find what users need. The launcher also supports gesture controls, allowing for quick navigation and shortcuts. Deep AI OS Launcher emphasizes a lightweight performance, making it an excellent choice for users who prefer speed without compromising functionality while enjoying an iOS-like experience. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best iOS launcher apps helps you find the perfect way to elevate your Android experience. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and app recommendations. Which launcher are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.